Well, good morning everybody, it's Canadian Trapper. We're here in Vancouver, BC. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're getting ready to go sturgeon fishing. We booked a trip today with Sturgeon Hunter Steve Kaye. He's going to take us out. He's telling us all the big fish are in the river right now, so that's what we want. We want to catch the big ones. I'm going to go grab some breakfast and we're going to meet Steve here at 7 o'clock at the wharf, so let's go do some sturgeon fishing. We made it down to Chilliwack, BC, where we're going to be going sturgeon fishing. Man, it is smoke is everywhere in the air here. There's 600 forest fires burning right now in the province of British Columbia. So I don't know. I got some pictures and I'm taking some video here. I'm sure through the day you're going to see just exactly how hazy it is here this morning. I mean, there's mountains in the background here and we can barely see them. And then I'm going to show you the sun. I hope this shows it's as red can be. And that's from all the smoke hanging here. Right next to the Fraser River. We're going to go over and we're going to meet our guide Steve, and we're going to get on the river and do some fishing. So we're just down here at the boat slip. Everybody's putting their boats in. Like I said, there's a big run of sockeye salmon in, so a lot of these guys are fishing salmon. So there's 20 million fish in the river. They just had the commercial fisheries over, so all the nets are out of the river. And here's our boat. Here's our guy. Rod. Hey, Rod.
Hi, Carol.
Carol,
nice to meet you.
So we're going to catch some sturgeon today, hopefully, are we?
Should be, as long as they want to eat. They usually do. Go up and look. I might turn around and come back. I just want to see if there's a group back there, but there's one there, there's another two, maybe one or two right there. There's another one over there, there's another one, looks like right here. Oh, farther.
I'd be chucking that in the barbecue.
Oh God, yeah, you could. Sort of be using grade A sockeye.
That's
weird. I'll see him on this side, and I'll catch him on that side. See what's You'll see this. We'll get a half an hour, and then we'll just look around. They move. He's running. Don't reel. Just let him go.
I got her.
He's feeling line. I was betting on it. Might be a good one.
He's going.
Oh yeah, lots?
Yeah, he hasn't stopped yet. So if he starts to jump, what do you want me to do?
Just lift and reel a little bit as quick as you can. Just to pick that little bit of slack. It's a circle hook and he took it pretty good. Okay, I gotta get him behind you, get this bag. Oh, he's still going. 5 feet, maybe 6 feet, maybe 8. I don't know.
Hey, it's a sturgeon. I'm not.
Oh, Christ, I'm just sweating, man. Okay. Need the belt? Are you okay?
I'm all right.
Okay. Yeah, just lift up, see if he'll come up. Yeah, the way you just lift to that rod comes right up.
Yeah, reel down?
Yeah, drop the tip and reel down. You'll never crank him in with the reel. It doesn't work. You'll bust that reel deep. Oh God, he's huge.
Oh my God. That is huge.
Did you see that?
I saw it. Wow. He's not letting go. You better not.
Pretty clear for debris out here. Where he is. Right, he's running again. Keep touching. There he is.
I didn't get that on.
8.5 plus. That's a big fish. Oh God, is he ever? Hopefully we get him. 'Cause he's huge. Just lift nice and slow. Everything's gonna be done slow. You can't pull him through the water fast. He's a big boy. Just keep that line tight. Keep working on it.
He's close. Oh, he's right there.
That's a big ass fish. So when he comes really close to the boat, like closer, don't go way out. Just keep him hold that man. Right here.
Feel down.
Goes under the boat, walk to the back of the boat. Reel down and lean the rod towards you. Reel down, reel down, reel down. You got no power. Lift the rod up, lift the rod up. I got him. He's huge. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pop this hook. Put your gloves on right now. Take that belt out. Move that thing out of it. Double hand. Big. Okay, just keep there.